masakit yung nakukuha naman ng rebound ng Vietnam because it's their size. And if you don't box out, and those things can happen to you.
Alright, mga kaibigan, kampihan ang La Amigas, ang ating women's national team for futsal sa Southeast Asian Games in November 18, 11 a.m. po, dito lang sa Active. Lahat talaga may pangalan na yung mga teams natin.
Ayaw, bigyan ng pangalan.
Sarili natin, bigyan ng pangalan sa atin dalawa. Dos puntos.
Puntos.
Dos puntos.
Hati pa yun.
Oh, hati pa yun. Best game.
Hindi, sa akin lang yun. Zero.
Swapa ka kasi, umabasa eh.
Swapa pa ba yun?
Okay, ito ngayon si Ellis. Ganda ng pasa dito kay Parks. Parks connects. Isang 3-point play, 3-point basket.
Not allowed shots para sa Pilipinas from 3-point range. That's our fourth 3-pointer. But it's actually no need to actually have to shoot up those 3-pointers dahil nakakuha tayo ng punto sa loob. Pero pag nalibre naman tayo, we're able to knock it down.
Oo. Nakita niyo yun? Ha? Gusto pa kayo? Ako hindi. Medyo na ano yung feed natin eh. Pero in the meantime, ito po may timeout na tinawag. Yan po yung tira ni Bobby Ray Parks from downtown. And we'll take a short break. Tapos po.
Abangan ang kanilang mga laban sa 26 Southeast Asian Games. Dito lang siyempre sa Active, kakampi ng Pinoy athletes. This sports event is brought to you by Smart. Let's make life extraordinary. Supporting today's Filipino athletes and tomorrow's champions.
Alright, welcome back mga kakampi. At ito yung laban po ng Pilipinas doon sa Cambodia. So, tambakan po nangyari dyan.
Shooting ng Pilipinas. 71% against the 35% of Cambodia. I mean, anytime you can shoot 71% from the field, almost certain that you're going to win. Look at the assist, the rebound, yung points of turnovers ng Pilipinas, 21 points compared to nothing. So, Philippines just really standing their class again.
Alright, so tignan natin. Itong Vietnam tumawag ng timeout. Ito may lobas na shooter off a Stragger's lead. Nice crossover, kick out pass. Good defense para sa ating Team Pilipinas 2-on-1 break. And si Ellis dumire-diretso na. Use his athleticism. Jump over the opponent.
2-on-1, trying to keep it for himself. But like you said, basic ability niya, yung haba niya, hindi mapigilan ng Vietnam.
Dala on the outside. Ito na ngayon, lobas sa screen. Itong si Ellis. And straight and through. Ito kay Ellis.
Another 3-pointer para sa Pilipinas. And what Ellis is showing is his complete game. Uy, marunong akong finish the fast break. Pero may tira rin ako sa naman.
Oo. 16-foot jumper. Wala. Rebound para dito kay Parks. Ito na ngayon. Takbuhan na naman. Pero ito, intercepted ng Vietnam. Sidestepping move. Nasa palpal. Ito na ngayon si Ellis. Going the other way.
One of the things that Ellis can use is giving up the ball a little bit earlier.
Excite
siya nagigigil eh. See their support para sa Pilipinas.
Oo.
Alam natin may mga residensing Pilipino in Indonesia. But also, when the other events finish, wala yung mga atleta ka, natapos ka na na hindi natin. Yung weekend, tapos na yung competition mo. A lot of the other athletes go out to watch the basketball competition, the taekwondo competition. Yan yung pagsasamahan ng mga atleta Pilipino. Tulungan
Yan.
in terms of cheering.
Suporta.
Suporta.
inabot. Ito ngayon, pero sa Vietnam pa rin ang bola. Outside bomb, wala. May loose ball foul, pero naman na itatawag. Kanina pala itatawag. Against Vietnam.
If with the impending win of the Philippines, laban ng Thailand against Cambodia, it's basically a knockout na yun. Kung sino manalo doon, yun na yung papasok doon sa medal round.
Semifinal.
Yes, actually hindi naman papasok sa medal round, but it will be for Thailand, if they win rather, they will advance to the medal round. As well as the Philippines.
Ito na ngayon. Si Alanete looking inside. Marcelo. Inuyog. Marcelo. Pinilit ang tira.
Not a good result, but here's the value of the for Dave Marcelo. Knows how to spin, and when he spins, he stays low.
Ito na ngayon. Malayo. Kala ko si Arvin Santos no? Ayan na naman. Yung rebound rin. Isa pa. Yun. Pumasok na yan para dito kay Ellis.
There's the headband, tapos chase rin ang buhok.
Oo. Tapos very active rin off the boards. Si Joan Butuan. Napuntos doon. Good swing pass para dito kay Lanete. Hindi lamang pumasok ang kanyang tira. Little over the 2 minutes ang titira. Dito sa laban na ito. You have to give it to Vietnam. They're not giving up, huh? They're still, playing hard. Spite of the score.
So it's for them, might be one of the toughest teams that they've ever faced for some of those players. And something also that they can manage that gusto rin nilang pakitaan yung kalaban nila. Kahit na ganyan ang score, makakaya kita 1-1.
Saka dito sila mag-i-improve Di ba? Pagka makalaban sila ng team na mataas na talaga yung level play ng basketball, matututo sila. Alright mga kaibigan, ng ating men's national team for futsal, kampiyatin natin sila sa November 18, 10 p.m. Southeast Asian Games. Dito lang sa Active.
I think Indonesia is an hour maybe yun doon. I think Active will be bringing you both the men's and the women of futsal.
All over except the final count dito po sa ating laban. And Ellis nagbintes, rebound para kay Marcelo. Just a little over a minute ang natitira.
For the Philippines, it's nice because you get a big win. All the players got some playing time. All the players got enough rest as well. Right? Dito sa competition ng SEA Games, halos araw-araw. So, hindi araw-araw actually ang magiging laro. So, it's important that you get your game in para naman pawisan ka, but also, hindi ka rin masulog na gusto.
Yan. Uy, nagbitis dun si Lanete. So, fast break para sa Vietnam. So, pababayaan na yan ng ating mga manlalaro. So, ito pong Philippines is flexing enough muscle. Siyempre, sabi nga ni Coach Norman Tack, di mo rin naman kayo pwedeng makita lahat naman ng baraha mo kagad no? Pangalawang laro rin. Nag-scout rin ng ating mga makakalaban na mas malalakas na team dito sa Southeast Asian Games.
So, if you're the opposing team that's scouting it, obviously, I think the one thing that's in your head is, sino ba talaga scorer ng opponent mo? Dahil you had, today it
kalaban natin, like for example, Thailand. Baka po sabihin nyo, 85 to 64 ang score nila doon sa Thailand na tinalo nila. Tayo, mas tambak. Pero baka nagtago rin ang baraha itong Thailand. In the meantime, ito po, tapos na po ang ating laban. At panalo nga po ang Team Pilipinas final score 107 to 53. We'll take a short break. Magbabalik